Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and today we're going to be talking about the triple crochet stitch and the half double crochet stitch, which you can use to make really cool sweaters and all kinds of garments, so stay tuned.
So today we're going to learn how to do the half double crochet and the triple crochet. So in a previous video we did the single and the double crochet. So these are actually going to fall between the two stitches. The first thing we want to do is to read our yarn label. Now some labels will have all the information that you need as far as your hook size, and some won't. This one does. So basically, if we're going to be knitting, it tells us we need a size 8 or 5mm needles, or a size 8 or 5mm to a 8 to a 5mm crochet hook. So I have here my O'Fire 5mm crochet hook in a size H, so we know that that matches up. And I know that my yarn weight is a weight of a 4, which is a medium weight, and that's pretty much of a standard size. So the first thing we're going to do is just start with a foundation row of 20, so we can see what our stitches look like. So as we did in our previous video, we just yarn over, grab that yarn and pull it through, and then each one of these is our stitches. And 20. All right, so now we have our foundation stitch here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2, and that is going to be our turning chain. So this is going to be about the height of the stitches that we're doing. We're going to yarn over, we're going to go into the first stitch. Well, basically it's going to be the third stitch from the hook. So we're going to forget these 2 stitches here. We're going to go right in here, yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. That is our half double crochet. If we were doing a full double crochet, we would yarn over and pull it through twice. So we're going to go ahead and do that all the way across. Yarn over, go into that next stitch, pull a yarn through so we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, and then pull all the way through. Let's go ahead and do that again, all the way across. So we pull through all 3 stitches at once, and that's how we get that double or the half double crochet. Go into that stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 stitches at once to close out the stitch. So now we're just going to finish out this row. And remember, we're just closing it out, doing all 3 stitches. Now we have our half double crochets. What I like about this stitch is it's got a little bit more height than the single crochet, but it's a little bit denser than your double crochet. So if you're doing something like a market bag or a sweater or something that you want to have some denseness, some close proximity with your stitches, this is a great stitch for that. Now, we're going to go ahead and do our triple crochet. So to do that, we're going to chain 3, and that's going to be our turning chain. That's going to be the height of our triple crochet. Now to do a triple crochet, we're going to yarn over twice, so we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to go into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through. So now we've got 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn through, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 3. So that is our triple crochet. So we're going to go ahead and do that again. We're going to yarn over twice, go into that stitch, yarn over. So now we've got those 4 loops. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. That is our triple crochet. Let's go ahead and do that all the way across. Remember to yarn over twice, and then we're going to pull through 2 loops 3 times. We're going to go ahead and do that again. Yarn over twice. So if we were doing a double crochet, we would only yarn over twice, and then we would have 2 pull throughs. So here we yarn over 3 times, there's 1, there's 2, and there is 3 pull throughs. And that's how we know it's a triple crochet. And here's 3, and we're just going to finish off this row. And there we have our triple crochets. And you can see there's a lot more height in that triple crochet stitch, but you can also see there's a lot more holes in here. So if you're going to be doing something like a market bag or something that you want to have some dents to it, perhaps like a sweater, you're probably not going to want to use this stitch. But if you're going to be doing an afghan or maybe an element of an afghan, this would be a really nice stitch. It gives it some height. It makes it a little bit more delicate. It's more of a delicate stitch than it is in your single or even your half double crochet. And you can see the difference here between the half double crochet and the triple crochet. So there you have it. There we have our triple crochet and our half double crochet here at the bottom.
Great stitches for your foundation to learn if you're going to be making sweaters or blankets or anything like that. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.